Yo, what's good everybody? You know who it is. Yeah, Palat back with another video. Gonna give you guys a quick tour of my shop, show you guys how it looks 1 year later. If you guys didn't check out the first video when I moved in, check that out before you watch this one. But let's get inside and let's check things out.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make the microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could've played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever wanna try to battle rap. Snap, crackle, pop, mind fried to a crisp. Make an MC into a wide-eyed lunatic.
So first thing when you walk in, guys, gotta display some of the colors. So I got some hubcaps because, you know, I'm too cheap to afford the rims, but you know, hubcaps still work. So we got a couple of colors displayed here. Give the customers a little idea of what the colors look like. Just some of the colors. You guys know there's millions of colors out there. You come in, you know, we got the nice gray walls, gray floors. Got a little card collection here. Something to add some pizzazz to this little sitting area for the customers. Got a TV, you know, put on some Netflix and chill. Got the nice little candy machine here, custom made. You know, we had to get the Oilers in there, even though they suck. Failed in the 2020 playoffs. You look over on this side, we got our couches, 2 single seaters. Got to limit people coming in, especially due to COVID. And you know, obviously we got the big banner here to show you guys where you're at, 780 Auto, and we got the info on the wall right there, guys. So it's come a long way. If you guys didn't see it before, it looks really crappy in here. And this is our COVID-20. Oh, I should have never touched that. That's nasty. You gotta sanitize my hands. We got the screen here, you know, gotta protect us from people's germs and whatnot. So that's our cheap way of making a screen there. We got some saran wrap. Put that up, gets the job done. Over here, we got some of our remote starters that we offer. Some the vinyl wraps here. We got Avery and 3M. My Instagram, Facebook. Subscribe to the YouTube if you guys are new. And yeah, this is it, guys. Also, this took me like freaking 10 years to make. 780 decals all the way. We make decals. Or decals, however you guys say it, but we make them, and here's just some of them that I have on display. So here, you guys could see, employees only. Let's show you guys what's in here. And that is the big money maker right there, guys. This hoist here. Finally, I got it installed. Nice and sturdy. This thing is a game changer. Lifting vehicles on here, doing wheels, doing calipers, doing brakes, doing anything that requires you to get under the vehicle, work on the wheel area. It's just so much easier to work on it, looking at it straight on, instead of jacking up the vehicle and working near the ground. So I'm so happy I got this hoist here. We got the toolbox. That was already there since I moved in. We got the tire machines. These things keep me pretty busy, especially here in Edmonton in the winter time. We get a lot of snow. Most of our months are considered snowy, so everybody wants to get their tires changed. They come to me, give you guys a good deal. Over here, we got the compressor. It's what provides air to all my air tools that I need to use. This is another thing that looks really different from the first video I put out when I first moved in here. The bathroom was completely garbage. It was not even done or anything, so it's completely renovated now. Got a toilet, sink, floor's done, and yeah, everything's working there. This is another workbench here. This is where I do all like my Plastidip. That's why you see gallons of Plastidip there. Let's go upstairs and show you guys what we got going on there. So up here looks a little bit different. It's a little empty right here, but if you come into this room here, we see we've got a computer and a plotter here. Not put into use right now at the moment, but you know, we will get them to work. But this room is, there's a wall in the middle. Took that down, painted red on the walls, and this has all my vinyl wrap and everything in here. So that's pretty much what that room's for. And this is a full view of the shop here. So 2 bay doors, got the Hoist, tools, tire machines, compressor. It's a lot of room, it's a big shop, and couldn't be happier with it, guys. I'm in here. I've got to zoom up right in my face there. But yeah, I've been here for 1 year now, and it's going good. I can't complain, everything's awesome. So thought I'd give you guys a quick little tour on how the shop looks. Let me know what you guys think. As always, my name is Ian Palat. Leave a like if you guys enjoyed the shop and everything I have to offer here. And subscribe if you're new, guys. Got a lot of videos coming out. So that's about it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.